Hi, this is Tejasvi. Welcome to FitNCalm. We are in the park. We've just finished a run. We felt we'll do a little bit of yogic stretches. So these stretches will really help you to lessen soreness of the muscles as well as improve the flexibility of the body. So let's start with few of the stretches where you can do anywhere. Initially you take the help of a tree or a bench or a pole, anything. Just keep your hand on it and then slowly lift up your leg and pull your toe towards yourself. Just feel the stretch in the thigh muscles. And now slowly catch the foot and lift it up as much as you can. And now slowly bend it and take it forward, press the knee towards yourself. You can also take the foot in your hand and get the toe towards your stomach and slowly release the leg. Now we'll do it with the other leg and gently lift the leg up, stretch it out, feel the stretch, press the toe towards the outside and then slowly lift up, stretch your hand out, stretch your leg out and now gently get the foot, press your knee towards the stomach and now gently get the toe towards the stomach and gently place it down. So after this, we'll keep the toe on the pavement and the other foot behind. And now what we do is lift the other leg up, left foot up and back. You go a little bit forward, lift it up and back. Now feel the stretch on the right calf muscle and back. Now we'll do it with the other leg too. Lift up and back. Lift up and back. And now slowly bend forward and try to catch the left foot. And slowly come down, come up. We'll do it with the other leg. Slowly bend down. Feel the stretch in the thigh and the calf muscles and slowly come up and relax. We'll do a little bit of asanas. We'll keep our legs comfortably at a distance. Turn your right foot 90 degrees, your left foot inwards a little bit. Take your hands at shoulder level. Now gently keep your right hand on your right leg and slide it down towards the right ankle. Look towards your left hand. Now slowly come back to the center. Bend your right knee and look towards the right hand. Feel the stretch and stay there. Now slowly turn towards the right side. Join your palms and gently bend back as much as you can. Stay there. Now slowly relax your hands. Take them towards the side and gently place the left hand on the left leg and look up. And slowly come back to the center and relax your hands. Turn your left leg 90 degrees, right foot inwards 15 degrees. Take your hands again shoulder level. Keep your left hand on your left leg and gently slide down towards the left ankle. Look towards the right hand. Now slowly come up and bend your left knee. Look towards the left hand. Turn towards the left side. Join your palms. Bend back. Slowly relax. Again, turn your hands and gently place the right hand on the right leg and look towards the left hand and bend back. Now slowly come back to the center and relax. Relax your legs and get them close. Now slowly take your hands above your head, and as you breathe in, take your hands up, stretch up, focus on a point, and as you breathe out, relax. Once again, breathe in, go up, and breathe out, come down. Breathe in and out. Now again, breathe in, take your hands up, hold the posture, and slowly as you breathe out, gently bend to the side, right side, hold there, feel the stretch on the left side and contraction on the right side of the body. Come back to the center. Let's do it on the left side, bend towards the left side. And slowly come back to the center and release your hands. So that's it. So you can practice these anywhere. So thank you for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.